Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I am glad that I help you out in some manner. So, this is your general love reading for the month of October 2021, and this is the last reading for the month of October. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general love reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So now let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages which are important for you, Aquarius. Today what has happened that I received these messages are very particular to some of you, Aquarius, because I received these messages in my dreams. That I saw that there is a girl who is in my dream, who was in my dream, and I was finding out that why this is happening in her life, and it was happening because of the ancestral karma that was related. Whatever the thing is happening in your life that is related to your ancestral karma which has been created in your life, and you are doing the same thing again. So you have to do your ancestral healing, you have to do your ancestral, and that's the message I received in the tarot cards also. That's why I'm doing this reading, because I was not supposed to give these messages, I was not supposed to do this reading, but I received the messages, I received the guidance that I have to do it. And that's what the message I received, that you have to do the ancestral karma healing, ancestral pattern healing. Okay, you have to do your healing here. So let's start your reading. So first message for you is letting go. You have to let go here, Aquarius, something in your love life, because lot of growth is coming for you. Okay, spirit guardian of autumn, you need to let go of fear, let go of judgment, let of control issue, let go anything which is not serving your highest good. You need to let go that thing. Lot of growth is coming towards you here, and you need to focus on yourself, wizard of the woods. Focus, you need to focus here, the focus messages here. Okay, there is some kind of chaos which is happening in your life. The storm spirit is here. This is also a tower movement, tower card, which is happening here. But chaos is not bad at all here, Aquarius. I always tell in my readings that whenever the tower come in your life, it is always good, because that's the divine intervention. That is when you need to take some kind of important decisions for your life, but you are not doing that, then divine has to intervene in your life so that you can make that decisions. So there is some chaos which is coming for you here, but these chaos, in this chaotic time, you need to keep your strength. Ancient oak spirit, keep your strength here, Aquarius. Okay, keep your strength, keep your courage. Can you see how beautiful this card is, how much light is coming for you? There's lot of miracles which are going to happen here, because you are transcending. Maybe you can see lot of unicorns, butterfly, red butterfly, black butterfly, green butterfly, rainbows, waterfalls, unicorns, Pegasus. Maybe these things you are watching these days. Maybe these animal spirits are visiting you. That can also be a possibility. So I told you that tower is not bad at all. It always bring you beautiful things. And this tower, this chaos is bringing you lot of miracles, because you are transcending. You are transcending. Lot of miracles are going to happen. And this tower movement is making you become a beautiful butterfly. Can you see the transformation is taking place? So there is transcending and transformation which is happening for you. Maybe you can see blue butterfly. Okay, that can also be a possibility. Okay, so you are becoming beautiful butterfly, Aquarius. So you are transforming and transcending in a forward direction. You getting your freedom and complete your healing. Okay, maybe you can see eagle spirit, the bear spirit, okay, the unicorn, the hawk spirit. I can say that maybe these spirits are visiting you to tell you that the freedom of your soul is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, the healing is coming for you. So this is the message from this deck. Let's see more messages, and these messages are very beautiful, Aquarius. Let go anything which is making you to stop in a forward direction. Now let's see more messages. And I'm very sorry that I'm doing the reading like this, because these days I'm unable to do the reading, but this was necessary to deliver because this was the guidance which I was receiving, so I have to do the reading, so I'm doing it. So the first message for you is secret space. There is positive outcomes which are coming for you. You are going to get your clarity. There is lucky attractions, and you are removing the obstacles. And this is the same message which I am receiving here from this deck also. Earth magic. You are removing the obstacles. Can you see? It is the same message here. I hope it is visible. Removing the obstacles, removing obstacles. So you are removing the obstacles here, Aquarius. Fearlessly keep your strength. Keep your strength and keep moving in a forward direction fearlessly. There are positive outcomes and clarity which is coming for you here. Okay, there is definitely clarity, because right now what I can see is from the tarot cards, because I already got the tarot messages also for you. You are feeling trapped in something, overthinking. Maybe you are feeling a lot of things in your mind and you are doing your overthinking. That was Eight of Swords energy. So you are being over trapped in overthinking, but the clarity is coming for you. The Ace of Swords is coming for you, Aquarius. You're going to get your clarity, you're going to get your truth. Okay, and you are going to remove the obstacles which you are receiving right now, but do not be fearful. Okay, be the fearless, and you are going to get your clarity very soon. The positive outcomes are coming up for you. Okay, then the second message for you is temple secrets, secrecy, isolation, observation, and ritual magic. You need to observe the things from a higher perspective here, Aquarius. Why I'm saying that? Because the next message is light body. Past restrictions, ancestor healing, independence bring comfort. I told you that you have to see, that's the same message, remembrance. There is an ancestral healing which you have to do, which you have to complete, and you need to complete that. Okay, there is something which is related to your past, which is related to your ancestor healing. You need to do that healing of your ancestors. Then only you can transcend in a forward direction, and that's why that past restrictions are making these chaos and conflicts in your life right now, in your present moment. Okay, so you have to do the observation, see the picture from a different perspective, from a higher perspective. Next, the message is language of light, rediscovery, humble wonder, and communication. And the next message is kingdom, slowing down materialism and psychic debris. So you have to take care of yourself. Can you see how this girl is pregnant? Maybe some of you are pregnant. If you're pregnant, then taking care of yourself. But you are rising as an empress, Aquarius. That's what I can perceive from these messages. That's what I received the message, that you need to communicate the language of light. Use the communication from the language of light. Do not use negative words, or do not use the language of negative or the dark forces. Use the language of light. If you are communicating, you need to communicate with light, with love, with higher vibration words, because right now you are in a mode of manifestation. You are in the mode of empress. You can manifest anything. Empress is someone who is, this is the mother planet Earth. Okay, the crystal kingdom. You are, and you can also use crystals if you have crystals around yourself, if you have knowledge about crystals, because right now the crystal kingdom is helping you out. This is the flower of life. Okay, and they are helping you out. So use that. Right now you have to slow down and use your inner wisdom, your psychic powers, your high priestess power, your intuitions, your crystal knowledge, your language of light. Okay, use that thing. Then there is Temple of Mary, and she says emotional expression, playful innocence, and exploitation. And the next message from this deck is Antakarana, crossing the rainbow bridge, reassurance, coming full circle. So you are closing out the cycle basically. Okay, you are closing out the chapters, you are closing out the lessons which you need to learn, and you need to be more playful. Okay, there is emotional expression which you need to do here. You're coming out full cycle and you're crossing that rainbow bridge. That means you are becoming more beautiful than before. Okay, whatever chaos you are facing right now in your life, that is leading you to become a beautiful butterfly. Here the transformation, that's why you are transcending. Okay, just believe in the miracles. Lot of miracles is going to happen, and because of facing these chaos, because you are crossing that rainbow bridge, can you see? Beautiful things are waiting up for you. Beautiful things are waiting, Aquarius, for you. Okay, so do not lose your hope. Keep your strength. Now let's see more message here from this deck. Hidden knowledge, achievement, twin flame, innovations, so some of you Aquarius, you are dealing with a twin flame. Okay, the person you are dealing with, the person is your twin flame, and right now you are manifesting. Definitely you are manifesting something, as you are having all the tools to manifest. You are manifesting something, and that manifestation is coming true. And when that manifestation is coming true, you are feeling fearful, you are unable to make a decision because of the past things, because this person has triggered you in some way. 12:12 is a recording reading time, and that's right, because that's your twin flame, that's your soul partner, that's your energetic soul, that's the mirror of you, and you both are having eternal connection here. Okay, you need to see the hidden knowledge that is written in the Akashic records, and that you can only gain out when you becoming the silent, and you can understand the picture from a higher perspective, from a bigger perspective. See the picture from a higher perspective. For that you need to be silent, silent your mind, and talk from your, and listen to the voice of your soul. Okay, there is achievement, efforts plus intention, and that's very much important. Okay, intention matters. It doesn't matter how much you give to a person, it matters how much love you are putting into that situation. So efforts plus intention matters, then only you will going to receive the achievements in life. Okay, Aquarius, there are new creations which you are doing. I told you, innovations, new creations, and you have the power to create that. Can you see? You have that power. There's a lot of power you are having inside of you, but you need to see the things. You are some of you are definitely dealing with the twin flame, and maybe this person is in and out in your life, coming running chasing dynamic. You are going through a process of running chasing dynamic. And see, again the same message is here: courage, strength, fearlessly, and family. You have to keep your courage, Aquarius. Okay, do not lose hope. You need to keep your courage, your strength. Can you see? Keep your courage, keep your strength, be fearless, and move in a forward direction. And there is sacred breath and sound, life force communication. Connect with your emotions, connect with the water animals, connect with the water sources, connect with the sound. Listen to the music. If you can use frequency musics and all, that will help you out in your healing, as well as in your they will help you out in giving you the messages also, that is you are going to receive right now through the guidance of the universe. So you have to do the communication here. Okay, 1441 is the recording reading time. Now let's see more messages here from this deck. Okay, and if you listen any voice in the background, then I'm very sorry because a lot of family members are talking in my home. So maybe is it possibility that you can listen to them also. So for I'm very sorry for that. So this is the message which I received, that use your imagination. Being an air sign, we are very good in imagination, but use your imagination to choose that which direction you want to go. Use your creativity, use your imagination, Aquarius, but do not be trapped in your own mind thinking by overthinking the things, because you are being thinking a lot by the 8 of swords energy which I got in the tarot cards. So use your imagination and creativity, but do not get lost in your thoughts. Okay, and complete your ancestor healing. I told you that you need to do your ancestor healing. Right now there is a divine masculine which is rising up in your life, or you have to be the masculine. You have to work on your masculine energy. Maybe you are more focusing, maybe you are rising as a masculine energy is more inside of you. So right now you are balancing your masculine energy. That can also be a possibility, or a masculine is coming towards you. And this masculine, this is your divine masculine. Okay, they are bringing you the stability, they are bringing you the clarity which I told you. This is ace of swords, and which is also about boundaries. They are making you understand that how to create healthy boundaries around yourself. Maybe you are that's the lesson you need to know, to create a healthy boundaries around yourself. And this person is making you understand how to create healthy boundaries around yourself, and you're going to receive the clarity I told you. Ace of swords is here in this deck also, and in your tarot cards also. This is stability. Ace of wands, ace of swords, and ace of cups. 3 aces in your reading. You're going to receive the fulfillment. You need to take up this cup and take this cup and let me read it out from the book. I need to read it out. Okay, you need to check in with your emotions. Drink more water, Aquarius. Okay, and you will receive an unexpected visitor. That can also be a possibility. And right now you need to work with the element of water. Okay, be open to the spirit and follow your intuition, and you are nearly there, but do not quit. Something that has been missing will turn up, and you have a deep thirst to connect with the magic of old ways. Okay, the overflowing desire to remember and awaken runs through your veins and speaks to you very soul. Okay, right now you have that qualities. You are the one true vessel that is waiting to be filled. So now drink it all, Aquarius. This cup shows you that fulfillment you seek is always there, being inside of you. Okay, not outside of you, it's always there inside of you. So these are the messages from this deck. Now let me see more messages for you. I told you, you are manifesting something here, Aquarius. Okay, lot of chakra activation is happening for you. Your Kundli rising is happening. And let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, I told you, you are dealing with your twin flame. Some of you, Aquarius, this is your twin flame. Okay, why I'm saying that? I am getting this confirmation not only from one deck, from 3 decks, from the tarot cards, from the oracle cards. Can you see the twin flame, soul partner, eternal connection, and harmonic flight? This is your twin flame you are dealing with. You both are rising. You both are rising in a higher self. Your Kundli is rising. Both of you, your Kundli is rising. But you need to be open up to receive. Gracious receptivity. You need to be open up. Open up to receive. Can you see? There is a lot of guidance which is waiting up for you. Use your third eye. Use your thought chakra, because your thought chakra is getting activated here. Can you see there is a Markaba which is being made here in this picture? Okay, so your Markaba is also getting, I think some of you, your Markaba field is also getting corrected here. You're going through a transformation. Butterflies are here. You are stepping through. Can you see? You're stepping through in a higher version of yourself. You're rising here, Aquarius. You're becoming the beautiful butterfly. The growth is coming up for you, becoming more beautiful than before. Can you see how beautiful you are becoming? This is beautiful. Okay, maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 1111, 444, 222, 555. Okay, because in this reading I'm getting lot of 444, 555. See the fire element, solstice sublime. This is what you are doing. You are rising on your, you are basically rising on a kundli ascension. Your kundli is ascending towards up. You are balancing your inner masculine and inner feminine energy, and some of you have to connect with your feminine side also. Okay, that's also a message for some of you. Reclaim your energy. Okay, reclaim your energy. And again the message is same, that use your third eye, use your intuition, listen to the voice of your heart, voice of your soul. Okay, complete your healing, complete your healing, balance your chakras, and you are rising in a forward direction. Whatever chaos is happening in your life, that fire is making you rise basically in your life here. You are doing some kind of manifestation. The manifestation is happening here, Aquarius. You are manifesting something, and whatever you are manifesting right now, that is going to manifest in your life very soon. Okay, the manifestations are coming true. Now there are 3 chakras which are getting activated for you: the third eye chakra, the sacral chakra, and the thought chakra. These 3 chakras are getting activated, so now you can express your truth, you can do your communication here. And one more thing, can you see this? Lot of blue butterfly is here. Your transformation is taking place. I told you that your transformation is taking place here. The lot of creativity, use your creativity, because right now your creativity is very high, and there's lot of third eye activation which is happening, so use your intuitions. Okay, listen to the sound of the universe. You can listen to the music which touch your soul. Again, the sound of the universe, the message is same which I received from this. See, the language of light. Recover humble wandering communication, the sound of the universe. Okay, listen to the guidance which is available for you, Aquarius, from your spirits, from your angels, from your ascended masters, from the divine, from the universe, from the animal spirits, and from anyone. You need to listen to the sound of the universe, but for that you need to be still. For that you need to still your mind. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Now let's see what are the tarot messages. So this is your tarot messages, and the message which I received from the tarot is 8 of Wands, Magician, Ace of Cups, 4 of Cups, Hermit, Strength, 6 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and Lovers. Then I received Knight of Cup, 9 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords, 6 of Swords, Hierophant, King of Wands, Queen of Wands, 9 of Swords, the High Priestess, and Ace of Swords, and Ace of Pentacles. So this is the message which I received from the tarot, and I told you this is your twin flame, because here I'm receiving the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands both. Maybe you both are having fire element in your chart, but sign can be anyone. Okay, maybe you both are very creative, mysterious, you love cat or lizard, or you love creativity. You both are very fearless, where you both are very courageous, but you both are the divine pairs here. Okay, so here I'm having King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. You cannot sleep at night, Aquarius. Here you are spending sleepless nights. Okay, with the 9 of Swords, you cannot sleep at night here, but use your intuition. See, High Priestess is here again. Use your intuition. You're going to receive the clarity which you want with the Ace of Swords. Can you see double aces in your reading? Okay, so this is what which is coming for you. There is clarity which is coming for you, the truth is coming for you, and the boundaries which you need to set up around yourself, you're going to learn that lesson, that how to create healthy boundaries around yourself. So there is some truth, clarity which is coming towards you here, and there is some kind of commitment which is coming for you. Ace of Pentacle is something which you can touch. Maybe this person is going to give you commitment, a marriage proposal, or a commitment in a relationship. Okay, if he was not or she was not committing, doing the commitment with you in the relationship, now they are going to commit with you. But use your intuitions. Okay, there is the message which I received here again, that you need to use your intuitions here. Okay, now let's start. There is a communication, lot of communication is indicated with the ace, with the 8 of wands. Okay, maybe through social media app, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any of the social media app, or maybe they will call you. But there is communication which is coming for you, and you are doing the manifestation. I told you with the Magician here that you are doing some kind of manifestation. Can you see with this message of manifesta? I told you that you are doing the manifestation here, Aquarius. You are manifesting something, and what are you manifesting? You are manifesting Ace of Cups, this emotional fulfillment. You are doing this manifestation here. But I do not understand one thing. When you are doing the manifestation, you want your emotional fulfillment, and when they are when you are receiving that manifestation, you are not ready to accept that cup. With the 4 of cups, you are not ready to accept the cup. The offer has already been offered to you, and after this offer you have turned yourself into the hermit mode. Hermit is good because you find the answers within your soul, that what your soul wants, what your soul is searching for. So hermit is good. Look answers which is deep within you. You have all the answers within yourself only. Okay, so you're looking answers from within yourself, and you need to keep your strength here, Aquarius. Okay, keep your courage, keep your strength. See, that's the same message here. You need to keep your strength. Do not give up. Okay, you do not need to give up. You keep your strength, keep your confidence here with you. You need to keep your strength and confidence. Okay, so that's the message here. To move in a forward direction, that's why you need to keep your strength. You want equal amount of give and take with the 6 of Pentacles, and there is a small message or small initiation with the Page of Pentacles which is coming for you here. There is a small offer which is coming, but they are coming. It is coming. And there is lovers here, so you both belong to one another, and this is a divine connection, and the angels and the divine is taking care of you both. Okay, they are coming towards you with the Knight of Cup, and Knight of Cup is someone who is very romantic, loyal, stable, and committed one. Okay, so this person is coming towards you with an offer. Can you see the offer is coming towards you because you are doing the manifestation. They see you as someone who is very single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood, and this is also a pre-empress mode. 9 of Pentacle is also that, and you are doing your healing with the 4 of Swords. Okay, you are completing your inner work, you are working on yourself, you are single, you are happy, you are enjoying your singlehood. You will come towards the calmer waters here, Aquarius, with the 6 of Swords. Okay, and there is Hierophant, and this is King of Wands. So either you are already committed with this person. Okay, this is someone from your past who is coming back. Okay, you both, this is not a new person. Okay, you both have spent in this lifetime also some time together. Okay, but you are going to come towards the calmer waters. Either you are already committed with this person in the past, or you both were married with each other. That can also be a possibility. Okay, but you both were having some kind of connection in the past. Okay, so now you are spending sleepless night here, Aquarius, and I have already clarified these cards. There is clarity which is coming for you. There is a commitment which is coming up for you here. I told you, you feeling restricted here with the Ace of Swords and High Priestess and the Ten of Cups. So maybe this person offered you the cup, but you want to create happy family, happy life, but use your intuitions. See, High Priestess is here again. So use your intuitions. You will get out of from this mind trap. Don't get over trapped in your own mind thoughts, because I know, being an air sign, we get lost in our thinking process sometimes. So this is the mind trap which we are creating, which you are creating in your own mind thoughts. Okay, so get out from this own mind thoughts. This person is coming towards you here. See, this is the Knight of Cup and the Ace of Wands. I told you I do the clarification of some cards, all the cards I can say that, but I'm going to tell you like this only. This person is going to give you communication. You both are going to get going to talk with one another, and this is Knight of Cup again. This person is going to come towards you definitely. Can you see how this beautiful man is coming towards you with the roses in the hand? So this person is someone who loves, who can be very romantic, I can say that. So they are coming and they're going to communicate with you with the Ace of Wands. Okay, so that's what I receive. Now let's see more clarification. I told you this is someone from your past who is coming back, and you are doing the manifestation. You are manifesting this person back in your life, Aquarius. Okay, the Magician is here. You are manifesting this person back, and Six of Cup is also a soulmate card. Okay, so this is someone from your past with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, and in this lifetime also you both have already met. This is this is not someone who is a new person. This is someone from your past who is coming back. But the Sun is the happiest card in the tarot deck, so this is the new happy beginning which is happening with between you both. New happy beginnings in your love life, because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in you, in your favor, Aquarius. Okay, so this is beautiful, and let's see more. I told you that you are doing the hermit mode is on. You also love this person. It's not like that you do not love this person. The Hermit, the King of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles and Page of Swords. So either you are keeping an eye on this person and doing and researching about this person, that what this person is doing, or this person is keeping an eye or doing the spying about you, that what my Aquarius is doing. You are doing the soul searching definitely with the Hermit, that what should I do, what is the thing that my soul wants, and you are working on yourself. Eight of Pentacles is something you're working very hard on yourself. Maybe in the past you were working so hard on this relationship, and you also love this person. King of Cups has the ability to manifest anything, and right now you are in tune with your emotions too. Okay, so keep looking answers from within yourself. Okay, now let's see more. I told you in the past this person break your heart. Okay, with the Three of Swords and Five of Pentacles, maybe this person broke your heart. They put you in a third party situation and they ghost you away. They leave you away and move in a forward direction with the Five of Pentacles. Three of Swords, third party can be anyone. Okay, third party can be anyone. It can be any work related situation, family, friend, any other person, or any others thing. Okay, so third party can be anyone. So they put you in a third party situation, they broke your heart, and they leave you behind and they ghost you away. So that's why you are doing your healing. You are coming out from that trauma, from that situation, and you're doing your healing. You're resting and you are rejuvenating yourself by completing your healing and your inner work, and that's beautiful. That's why you are not ready to open up. That's why you are not ready to open up with the Four of Cups. And Four of Cups is being clarified, was it was clarified by the Four of Pentacles and the Empress. So you, maybe you can see lot of 44, 444. That can also be a possibility. I told you right now you are in the mode of Empress here. Can you see? You are right now in the mode of Empress. You are the Empress. So right now you are not ready to open up. Maybe this person offered you the cup. 11:11 is the recording reading time. So maybe you can see lot of 11:11 these days too, but you are not ready to accept the cup from this person. You are not ready to open up in front of this person here. because this person in the past, they broke your heart. Okay, but Aquarius, you need to take a leap of faith. I know that there were conflicts with this person, they broke your heart. Okay, they left you in the past, they ghost you away, but you need to take a leap of faith and you have to move in a forward direction. Be the fool. Okay, maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 555, 505, 55. That can also be a possibility. Just take a leap of faith. Okay, and I told you that, see, the page of pentacles and the tower, this is the divine intervention which is happening. The chaos, whatever chaos you are facing right now in your life, that is the divine intervention, and that was necessary so that you can take the necessary steps to move in a forward direction, which is compulsory for your life. And maybe after this chaos you are feeling like an hangman, but do not think that you do not have any answers. You are having all answers inside of your soul. Inside there is a light here. Can you see? Maybe you are feeling like an hangman, you do not know what to do, but you have all the answers. You can move in a forward direction. That's why keep your strength, keep your courage, keep your keep your fearlessness inside of you and keep moving in a forward direction. What I see more is, see, this is the message which I received here from this deck also. There is definitely a commitment which is coming for you. Keep your strength message is coming again and again. Do not quit. Maybe you are quitting up, maybe you are thinking of quitting up. That's why I received that message, that you do not need to give up. Okay, do not give up at all, Aquarius. Keep your strength. Can you see how many times the same message is here? And you are hoping for new hopes, new desires, and that are coming. Okay, keep your hope, keep your desires. You are much stronger than you think, Aquarius. Okay, keep your strength with you. This is the strength card which I received here from every deck. Okay, you need to keep your strength. Do not lose hope. Keep your strength. Strength is the message which is very important for you. Okay, so now let's see more. See the Four of Cups, Four of Cups, Four of Wands, and Ace of Wands. So this is someone who is offering you a cup. Maybe they want to get married with you, but you are not in a mood to accept the cup. Can you see? But you are also having that thoughts about this person, or this person is having thoughts about you. This person is going to provide you a stability, but you are not ready to see how colorful this cup is. Can you see how colorful this cup is? This person is going to give you a stability. Okay, but you are not ready to accept the cup. See the picture from a higher perspective, Aquarius. Okay, just see the picture from a higher perspective. Now let's see more. This was the message: King of Swords, King of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Knight of Swords. So maybe this person is very good in finance. Maybe they are financially independent, they know how to manage the finances, and you know that this person loves you a lot. And see, I love it when the see three aces, Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups, Ace of Cups, from different three tarot decks. Okay, so this person loves you and you already know this truth. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth, who uses their intuitions, who is a truth seeker and truth giver. So you already know that this person is someone who loves you a lot. They love you and they are rushing you, they are coming towards you. So that was thing. And now I told you that you are going to move in a calmer waters here with the Six of Swords. You are definitely thinking and contemplating a lot, Aquarius. You cannot sleep at night. You are spending sleepless night at, okay, you're feeling anxiety, stress. Okay, but you are going to get out of from this situation. Maybe you can see 69 or 96 numbers synchronicities. That can also be a possibility here, because you have confusion, you do not have the clarity, or okay, you do not have the clarity of your own with own emotions. That's why the moon is here. But do not worry, the clarity is coming. I told you the Ace of Swords is here, so you're going to receive the clarity which you are seeking for. Okay, so that is what I'm receiving from these cards. Now let's see more. This was the message. Queen of Pentacles, the World, the Chariot, the Seven of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Justice. So this is the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Okay, right now your guards are up, your self-defense mode is on, but I told you that this is your divine pair. Can you see? The King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands, and the third one was the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Okay, so 3 pairs in a reading. You both are very fiery, you both can have air, earth or fire element in your chart, but this is 3 pairs which I am having here, 3 divine pairs, and you both are completing a cycle, you're closing out a cycle here. Okay, that was the message, that you're completing a cycle, completion, coming full circle here. World card, you're closing out a cycle which you both need to close out, and you're going to move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, maybe right now you are thinking a lot, your self defensive mode is on, and you are worried that whether what to do, but you have already put the seeds. Now this is the time to reap the rewards. Okay, that's where the karmic justice is being served in your case. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 77 or 777 777. Okay, last was this message which I received. See, Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Ace of Swords. I'll give you this message already. You are juggling a lot here. Maybe you have to make some kind of decision, but you do not have the clarity as I told you. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 222. That can also be a possibility here. Okay, but do not worry at all. Can you see? There is 3 aces, 3 Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, and Ace of, see, Ace of Pentacles are 2 times here, 3 Ace of Swords are 3 times from different decks. You're going to get the clarity. You want to make a decision, but you are juggling between 2 situations, whether to make the decision or not, and it is taking lot of time here, but the judgment is going to serve in your case. You're going to make a judgment, you're going to make a decision with the 2 of Wands. I told you that you're going to make a judgment here. This is your Lovers, definitely. Can you see? This is your divine pair. How beautiful this card is. I love the card this. Okay, so that was your reading. I hope I make you understand the messages which I was receiving. Complete your ancestor healing, Aquarius. First message is this. Second is, do not quit, do not give up, keep your strength, keep your courage with you. Third one is, this can be your twin flame or a soulmate with whom you are dealing with. Fourth message is, you are going through a process of transcending and transformation. Okay, the whatever chaos and whatever tower moments you are facing right now in your life, that is happening because you are going to transform into beautiful butterfly. Fifth message is, you're going to get your clarity, and now you're going to learn the lesson of how to make the healthy boundaries around yourself. The stability is coming towards you, and you are closing out a cycle here. You complete your healing, and you need to let go anything which is stopping you. Right now you are in the energy of magician. You are manifesting something, and whatever you are manifesting, that is coming true in your true life. So think before you ask. Okay, whatever, think in your mind that whatever you are thinking, whatever you are manifesting, that is going to manifest in your life. Okay, so that was your reading. I hope it make you understand. If you like my video, please like, share, and comment in the comment box, and you can also let me know anything which you want to tell me. Okay, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you Aquarius who are watching my video. Take care of yourself, and see you soon.